While it is often called accident investigation, we prefer the term crash or collision investigation. We prefer to reserve the term accident for the conclusions we draw at the end of our analysis. So now that we've settled that we prefer the word collision or crash, let me explain what an investigation involves. People tend to believe that a crash investigation is the process of photography or measurement at the scene. While this is certainly part of that function, one needs to keep in mind that your investigation, if you are preparing for trial and if you are somebody who will or could end up in a court, actually starts the moment you receive a call. Our protocol is designed to ensure that we can cover, address and answer on any issues that can come up in a court of law at a later time. For this purpose, our at-scene investigation is typically described as the work we do if we are called to the scene to investigate the collision while all the elements of evidence are still present. This can include the position of vehicles, the mechanical condition of vehicles, evidence from the environment and on the road surface, version from witnesses, and a variety of other functions. In our case, we follow a 124-point protocol which ensures that when we do that at-scene investigation, that we collect all the evidence that might be relevant in court one day.